True. So in what case would you use tags within the sequence?
If there wasn't an email, but you still had to have something, applied, if there wasn't a tag that needed to be applied outside of an action.
Tag applied it.
So let's say, let me build this out to be something a little bit real, right? So in this situation, we're talking about sending them out the summary link, giving them some clickables, right? Let's say they had to click those links to move forward.
Okay.
You give them multiple opportunities to click on that link, right?
Okay.
So let's say the people who clicked on the link at any point in time would get removed. We talked about that with the white flag and the goal, right?
Right.
So those folks are going to go. We don't have to worry about them getting a redundant. We already have that part set up. But what happens if they go through all of them and they don't click on a link?
Well, that's gonna suck.
Right? We don't want them to disappear. So we would put a tag at the end.
Okay.
Say something like send them over to a nurture campaign or send them to a high urgency process, right? Because they have gone through all of our steps to that point and have not done anything.
Right.
Now, when they don't do anything, we don't want to take the time from a user, right? Jackie's time is too important to chase people who aren't doing things, right?
Right.
We need her chasing people who are engaged. We don't need her chasing, the people who aren't. We want the system to, right? So how we tell that is we have this tag applied at the very end to carry them over into that nurture campaign automatically.
Okay.
To get them over to that that high risk category, right? So that way they're treated differently than the folks who did click on those links and then got tagged, and then those people's processes are still continuing, right?
Yeah. This makes sense. Okay.
It makes sense. It's feeling pretty good.